Hello student, in last video we have started our fourth number chapter of part 2 constructions of triangle, and in that we have seen how to construct triangle when its base, one base angle and sum of adjacent side is given, that is type 1 construction or construction 1. Now in this video we are going to study how to construct triangle when its base angle and difference between two remaining side is given. So let's see type 2 construction of triangle. Our example is construct triangle ABC such that BC equal to 7.5 centimeter, angle ABC is 40 degree, AB minus AC is 3 centimeter. For this, firstly draw a rough diagram according to given measurements. See, our base is 7.5, so assume in this rough diagram this is your base BC 7.5. your base angle, one base angle is a 40, that means this is an acute angle. Now AB minus AC means your AB is greater than your AC, so take point A like this. Your main condition is that AB minus AC means AB is greater and AC is smaller. Write all measures here. Then now construct your main diagram. Firstly draw a base of 7 centimeter. This construction is similar to your previous one, but in that we taken addition of two sides and here sum of two sides. Sorry, here 7.5 is our base, so take here 7.5 centimeter, BC of 7.5 centimeter. Okay, now draw a base angle of 40 degree with the help of this protractor. Always measure your angle from this 10, 20, 30, 40. Now draw this angle with sharp pointed pencil. Now this is your 40 degree angle. Now take this distance of difference 3 centimeter in your compass. This is not your point, remaining point A, remember this. This is your another point which helps us to find our third vertices, third vertex of our triangle. You can name it P. This distance is 3 centimeter, BP distance is 3 centimeter. Now bisect this PC, perpendicular bisect this PC. Always use sharp pointed pencil for any construction. Join these two intersection points of arcs. That ray or that line will intersect your ray BP here, and that is your point A. Point A means this top vertex. Now join this. See, your AB is greater than your AC. Now measures the length of both segment. This one AB is of 8.5 centimeter. And now AC. AC is 5.5. See, AB minus AC equal to 3.0 centimeter means 3 centimeter. It shows your diagram is correct because your given condition is fulfilled by this construction. I will repeat again all the steps. Our question is construct triangle ABC such that BC equal to 7.5 centimeter, angle ABC equal to 40 degree, AB minus AC equal to 3 centimeter. Firstly, draw a rough diagram with the proper meanings of given measures. 7.5 centimeter is the your base, and this AB, remember AB minus EC means greater number minus smaller number. So AB is your greater side and AC is the smaller side, and that is 3 centimeter. Now for your main construction, firstly draw a base BC of 7.5 centimeter, then make a 40 degree angle which is given as your base angle 40 degree. Then take this distance in your compass 3 centimeter, make a point here with arc, then join this point with your another one base point PC, then bisect this by our basic geometrical construction. How to draw perpendicular bisector you know very well. Take more than half length of this PC and make arcs from both points to both sides and join that line intersects your angle R here, and this is your point A. Now join AC, then measure length of AB and then length of AC and take difference between two. Okay, now same type, same example but little bit different. Construct triangle ABC such that BC is a 7 centimeter, angle B is of 40 and AC minus AB equal to 3 centimeter. AC minus AB equal to 3. For that, firstly make rough diagram. Here BC is your base, B again angle B is of 40, but now see AC is the greatest and AB is the smallest, so construct in that way. AB will smaller and AC will greater, like this. Okay, and this is your 40 degree. Okay, Now construct your main diagram. Draw a segment of 7 centimeter, just a 7, BC 7 centimeter. Now make an angle of 40 degree. .40 angle here. Okay. Remember one thing. If your greatest side is adjacent to the given angle, मीन्स जो हमारा फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल था ये वाला, इसमें देखो हमें ए बी ग्रेटर दिया था, ए बी माइनस ए सी, लेकिन वो ए बी जो था वो बी एंगल के साथ था, इसलिए यहाँ पे ही हमने डिस्टेंस लिया था. लेकिन अब ये जो एग्जाम्पल है वो ए बी ग्रेटर नहीं है, ए सी ग्रेटर है. तो अब आपको क्या करना है, ये जो डिफरेंस दिया है, ये डिफरेंस का मार्क जो है वो नीचे की तरफ लेना है. आप देख सकते हो मैंने जो एंगल का आर्म है वो दोनों तरफ एक्सटेंड किया हुआ है. सी दिस इज 40 डिग्री and I extended that at lower side also. Now take distance 3 centimeter in your compass properly and make a mark here. Now make a mark here 3 centimeter. Suppose this is my point Q. Then join this QC. All things are same, but you have to think firstly which side is greater. Which side is greater? If your side adjacent to the given angle is greater, then you can take distance here. But if your opposite side is greater, then you have to take distance at your lower mark. Okay. Now perpendicular bisector of this BC is necessary. So draw that properly. Take more than half distance. If your arcs are not intersecting, then again draw a intersecting arc. See, like this. You can erase remaining part of this arc. Now join the 2 points of this intersection of both arcs like this, and now this is your point A. See, you can easily see that AB is smaller and AC is greater. Now take your scale and measures the distance. This is 5.5, AC is 5.5 centimeter and AB is of 2.4. AB is a 2.4 centimeter, and difference between this is a 3 point centimeter, which is very very close to your given. So your diagram is a correct. Okay, just remember this thing, which side is a greater, opposite or adjacent of base angle. Okay, now our last type of construction, when our perimeter of triangle is given, only perimeter is given, then how to construct triangle? It's very simple to construct. See, construct a triangle ABC such that AB plus BC plus CA equal to 11.3 centimeter. Angle B is a 70 degree and angle C is of 60 degree. Firstly, tell me what is the meaning of perimeter? Perimeter is the sum of all the lengths of any geometrical figure. Here triangle, so addition of 3 sides is equal to 11.3. Here is no need to draw a rough diagram. You can directly draw your diagram. Directly take angle base 11.3 सेंटीमीटर. आपको जितनी पेरीमीटर दी है उतना आपको फर्स्टली बेस ड्रॉ करके लेना है. 11.3 सेंटीमीटर का बेस यहाँ पे आपको ड्रॉ करना है. अब यहाँ पे आपको इस पॉइंट को आप कुछ नेम दे सकते हो. सपोज M and N. MN is of 11.3 centimeter. Okay. Okay. Now, main thing is you have to take half of these two given angles. Half of this is means 35 degree and this means 30 degree. Take two angles here. One is 35 degree. And then another of 30 degree. Okay, now take perpendicular bisector of all these two. This is your upper vertex of our triangle ABC. So A is here. Now we have to decide place of point B and C where it will. Then how to decide that? For that you have to draw perpendicular bisectors of AM and AN. See here, take more than half. Draw this segment or draw this perpendicular bisector. This is of AM, perpendicular bisector of AM. Now take more than half for AN. In the same way, draw. my arc. See, these 2 points, your base points B and C. B and C. Now see, join this AB and AC. This triangle is constructed. Now measures the angle B. Angle B, see here, exactly of 70 degree is angle B, and angle C is of 60. Now these two conditions are fulfilled, but this one is still remaining. So measures the distance of measures the lengths of all three sides. See, this BC is of 3.8, BC 3.8 centimeter. Then AB is of 3.9 and AC is 4.2 centimeter. Sorry, 4.3 centimeter. Now see, 12, 2, and this is 7, 11, 13, 12. ओके, या हमारा 11.3 सेंटीमीटर आना चाहिए था, मेरा 12 सेंटीमीटर आया है। यहाँ पे मेरा थोड़ा सा रॉन्ग हुआ है, ये जो बाइसेक्टर है ये इसमें से एक, इसलिए ऐसा हुआ है। आप अगर प्रॉपरली ड्रॉ करोगे तो आपका जो है वो 11.3 के अराउंड ही आएगा, मीन्स 11.1 to 11.5 इज़ द एडिशन। Understood? So draw all these three constructions and also solve practice set 4.2, 4.3 and problem set. Okay.